Hi guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a 2 DVD unboxing, which is called Over the Hedge and Ratatouille. So here you go. First one is Over the Hedge, from the creators of Shrek, full screen, full version, without our body. But Spawn came with a picture of a heavy the back. A wonderfully funny favorite movie. 2 thumbs up. Boys features description, including Hamby's Blue Boy, including short film audio mini movies, Hamby's Blue Boy Adventure. PG. The funny time? Yep. Boy, great disc. Yeah. Full screen version. DreamWorks First Rain coming to DVD. And now move to Ratatouille for the creators of Cars and The Incredibles. There's Disney Movie Rewards bottom left quarter, and there is a Disney DVD bottom right quarter. But Spy Puppeteer as Whammy, with a chef hat in the back, and a special includes a 2 short film called You'll Value Add and Lifted. Unique and Indivisible. Luigi, so yeah. Cool, pretty cool. Here's the shiny disc, and it comes from the look inside for fun. On the back it shows the 101 Dalmatians. I'm seeing such it's real by the way collected. I'll still get the Stowe Buddy sometime soon. On DVD sometime soon. Yeah. That's it. Goodbye. That's up.